Today I'm going to show you how to wrap the text around our subject in Photoshop. First of all, we will enable the roller by pressing the Ctrl+R, Command+R. From the rules, drag the required margins, the margin at the top, at the bottom, and from the left-hand side. Select the pen tool by press the P button. Withdraw a path around air subject, make a selection. Path is complete. And then hold the Shift key and draw the path around the margins that we drew previously. Finish the path. Press T for the text tool. Simply click inside the import and start typing. You can customize the text in any which way you want. I'm just gonna paste random text by going to type and then paste lorem ipsum. It just paste random text. I can do that again, type and paste lorem ipsum, and as you can see, by pressing the Ctrl+A you can alt text, after changing the font style and bold and font size. If you select the Move tool, after show you before and after result, that's it. Hope you like this video. Those who are new to my channel, subscribe my channel, like, share and comments. Don't forget press the bell icon because new video will be reach you, and thank you. Bye bye.